All right, you guys, this is Dr. Hayward. I wanted to show you how to do these problems. I wanted to show you how to do problem 11 and then let you go ahead and do 12 and 13. But let me show you first how to do 11 because this is a little tricky. This is algebra finding the unknown number. Now, you know how to do all of these things. It's probably just the way to think about it. So I'm going to go ahead and transfer over here and show you what I'm writing. So this is on problem number 11. It says n, which you guys have told me before, it means some number divided by 3 equals 315. So we're going to try to figure out what that n number is. Now it means that there's some number, we don't know what it is, and we're going to divide it by 3 of our friends, some number of cookies divided by 3 of our friends, and that's going to give everybody 315 cookies. So let's think about that for just a minute. Some number divided by 3 of our friends, or you and 2 of your friends, is going to give you 315. So probably now you have realized that you cannot take 315 and divide it by 3. That's not going to give you the answer. That would be incorrect. So the opposite of, or the inverse of division is multiplication. So we're going to take our 315 and we're going to multiply it by 3. You might be saying to yourself, what? Yeah, that's what you do, and we'll talk about that in just a minute. So 3 times 5 is 15. So I'm going to regroup. So 3 times 1 is 3, and 1 more is 4. And 3 times 3 is 9. So now if I take my 945 and I divide it by 3, what am I going to get? So I'm going to take that and I'm going to take my 3. And now some of you may be guessing, well, Dr. Hayward, you should get 315. Yes, we should. But we're going to check it to make sure. So we're going to do the division problem. So I set up my division problem and I wrote the algorithm this way because this is another way to write the algorithm. So 3 into 9 goes 3 times because I know 3 times 3 is 9. So that's where I place my first digit. 3 times 3 is 9. And I write that down and I subtract and I get 0. Now I'm going to bring down that 4. So 3 goes into 4. I have 4 cookies and 2 friends and me, and that's 3. So I can give everybody at least 1 cookie. So I'm going to put my 1 there. 1 times 3 is 3. And I'm going to subtract, and I'm going to get 1. And now I still have this number that I have to bring down. That's a 5. So now 3 into 15 goes, 3 into 15 goes 5 times. 5 times 3 is 15. I subtract and I get 0, and I have no more numbers to bring down. I'm done. So, does this number equal this number? Yes. Now, if you need to repeat this video, watch it again. I would watch it again if I were you. And then I would try and pause it, and if you need to. And just work through the next problem. Good luck. Send me your work. You can do it on a piece of paper. You can actually do it on the whiteboard and send it to me. I'd like to see that. Be sure to put your name. All right, I'll check you guys later. Bye.